Very okay. Please subscribe.
Welcome to my channel. Very okay. Today we're gonna prepare a delicious salmon. This fish is very delicious. There's a lot of nutrients and omega-3, which is super good for your health. And if you are trying to lose weight, this is a good option. It's super easy and simple, this recipe. 3 cloves of garlic, and this is good to give me taste, a good flavor. And after you separate the garlic, so here I have parsley, about this much. You have to wash. You're gonna chop very well. Very okay. Yes, if you like this recipe, please share, subscribe, and thumbs up. Okay, now you have to separate the parsley. With the garlic, it's okay, it's fine. I'm gonna use olive oil. This is very good, a special olive oil. And then you add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now you slice the lemon, because lemon, it's very good with salmon. It's very okay. You have to remove the seeds. I'm gonna make 4 pieces of salmon. So I'm gonna slice the lemon. I'm gonna add here about 2 tablespoons of lemon. And the rest of the lemon I'm gonna use for decoration and to give me an extra flavor, which is gonna be 4 pieces. I'm gonna add salt. Dijon mustard, yes, to increase more flavor. It gives me an extra flavor, the black pepper, but this you add according to your taste. And now you mix very well. Very okay. After you mix, you prepare the salmon like this. So I use the tin foil because I don't want to make a mess. And there's 4 pieces of salmon. So I'm gonna add the garlic on the top. You have to spread because this will give the flavor, the good flavor. Okay, you add everything and then you have to spread, and this gives the extra flavor. This is super good, super delicious. You have to try this because it's super healthy. This is something that I want to have every week. Okay, after spread everything, you're gonna add on the top the lemon. So 4 pieces, and that's it. And now it goes into the oven, 13 minutes only in the oven. And the temperature needs to be a little bit high, which is gonna be 230 Celsius or 446 Fahrenheit. And now let's see the result. Wow, this is very delicious. You have to try in your home, and this is super healthy. So very okay. Yes, I'm gonna have my delicious dinner. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share to your friends. Thank you very much. Very okay.
Very okay. Please subscribe.
Do you want to decorate your home with something unique made by your hands? How about have a romantic dinner with a beautiful pyramid to decorate your table for your special nights? Or have a cup of a good tea, admiring a beautiful gem reflecting a warm light? Yes, I made these cars for you, the ultimate craft design orgonite cars. All tools that it's necessary for you to create beautiful gems. And there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download PDF format. The ultimate craft design orgonite cars. Discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems.